Well, we're back in the hills again. And holy crap, over here, fixing some bastard's fuck up on a winch. Not ours. Got some tools. Some tunes. Coming over here. A little bit of crack. Say hi, wife. Say it louder. Got some, this, winch on our wheeler. We're all cool. We don't need no freaking winches and stuff. We just figured it'd be a good thing to have. Yeah, no, don't break that apart. I have to take this little clip out of here to get that off. Anyways, working together, husband and wife, out here in the hills. What's up, turds? Yep. You girls. You girls. You girls. Yep. Alright. Like quality control over here. Here. Working on the winch. Get the winch going. I gotta take that clip off there. I don't have the things, but I can get it off of the screw flathead, small one. I'm searching. Shut up. God. So, wife's working on her wheeler winch. Maybe I'll go do dishes. The fuck?